It is currently 11:15 and so we're fresh out the shower. Where you going? Oh. It has been a long day, y'all. We had an actual ball today. It was busy, but we still had fun. We went to see some family friends that live out here. Ty had a game. They won. She scored 8 points, a ton of rebounds, 2 blocks. She was on it, huh? Say 18-11. Now what else we do? We did a lot of ripping and running today as a family. So I had a client to do this morning, the same thing. She got her hair installed today. So yeah, really, is that what you do? I'm gonna call y'all back tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Ty. What day of Vlogmas is it? You don't know? She doesn't know. She says she doesn't know. You don't know? How do you not know what day Vlogmas it is? Huh?
You don't tell me.
I didn't tell you.
Nope.
It is day
Is there
5.
Yeah, today is the 5th.
Today is the 5th?
Yes.
Day 5 of Vlogmas. You gonna come say hi to the people on the vlog?
Hello.
The girls are making cupcakes and Christmas cupcakes and what? And
mini cookies.
Mini cookies. So Christmas cupcakes, mini cookies for Vlogmas. Day 5, huh, Maddie?
Mommy, I can't see myself.
You can't see. You can't see. Say hi, Vlogmas.
Which ones?
That's it, stir the beans. So, we are going to do cupcakes and cookies because Daddy wants his chocolate chip cookies.
He doesn't want it. No, he doesn't want me to make brownies.
Yeah, he doesn't want you to make his brownies. And then we're finally, guess what, Chloe? Guess what? We're finally putting up the Christmas tree. Yay! You excited? You are? What color do you want the tree to be?
Gold.
Gold.
Our first tree was accidentally black thanks to our dad.
He is gonna see this, by the way. So, yeah, we're gonna put up the Christmas tree, guys, and then we have to get some decorations. And what else do we have to do, Chloe?
Get ornaments.
Get ornaments.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night? quickly it's Christmas time again. And even though we both get busy, we still have time to talk for hours on end. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Would've known I would've made my best friend on that night.
Can you put some in here?
Hmm?
Can you put some in here?
Can you put what in there?
That.
That doesn't go in there. That's a lemon squeezer.
A lemon squeezer?
Mm-hmm. You say, hey, Maddie. So, fun fact about my oldest. She is like, I don't know. She likes traditions. So, we have been trying to come up with different type of traditions for her. Where are you going, Madison G? We've been trying to come up with different traditions for her that she can do so she can make memories, because she is older and she likes to do stuff like that. And baking has quickly become one of her favorite things to do. So, yeah, we have no choice but to bake everything in our house. But we are trying to figure out, comment below your different Christmas traditions, because we would love to know. We are open to doing pretty much anything with the kids as long as it doesn't harm them or hurt them in any kind of way. We really like to, know what you guys have or what you suggest or what you do with your family. So comment below and I'll check it out. Octonauts. Really? Ty, did you have fun yesterday?
I did.
You did. We had a ball for that.
Yes,
I can't wait for Jewel to see this. I had to shout her out. Shout out to our good people, our good friends, Jewel and Johnny. We had an absolute ball. We don't see them often, but when we do, it's like family and we turn up. The kids don't turn up, but the grown folks, we turn up. You done?
I'm in fighting mode when I go over there, so.
You're what?
In fighting mode when I go over there?
She's in fighting mode. According to her, she's always in fighting mode because she's tall. Tall people issues. It's the extraness for me. Extra, extra, extra. Extra, extra, extra. Read all about it. Extra, extra, extra. Read all about it. Oh, you don't like to be touched? You don't like to be touched? It's not fun, huh? It's not fun, huh? No, you don't.
Yes,
no,
I
you
do.
don't. No, you don't. I'm touching you. I'm touching you. I'm touching me. Who is y'all, little girl?
Daddy.
Oh, we do. Do you know what the fun part is? Oh, caught you cook. I caught you cook. The cook was eating the food. I caught you. You know what the fun part is about cooking? Cleaning up the kitchen.
Didn't think you'd say hi to me, let alone walk by me, even though I know I deserve the best. And just look at you, you make me blush. And I put up my wall so my heart won't get crushed. Cause when you're looking in my eyes, it's like I'm walking on thin ice. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with love that well. It's a game that I never learned to play. But when you look my way, it's like I've known it all along. And what I'm trying to say is, if you're gonna make a move, stop waiting. Cause I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. So tell me how I play it cool now. Tell me, when can I see you again? But maybe this time not as just friends. I'm falling hard, baby, you got me hooked. These feelings just cannot be overlooked. And I'm so tired of waiting, babe.
so uneventful.
I know.
But we got a tree. Yay! Yay for the Christmas corner tree. Woo! You see a tree? You excited for the tree?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Mommy, now can we take a picture?
Can you take a picture?
Take a picture.
I don't know about a picture, but sure.
Hello. Daddy, you wanna go say hey?
Look how she looking.
She mean.
She is really mugging. Really nice. Chloe, say hi.
Why me then?
Do y'all see what she's doing?
Wait.
All right. Next time. Next person, help him.
Let me grab some.
What?
He can't reach.
Oh, let Chloe go. Wait, son. Wait, son. You can go after Chloe. Wait, Chloe.
Let's stop that cupcake.
CJ, hush. Oh, Chloe. Okay, you're done. All right. No. Here.
I'll help him.
Ty. No, Chloe. You're gonna decorate yours. Now let him squeeze it.
I don't need your help.
Yes, you do. You don't need her help, really? Okay. Are you done?
Yeah. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no.
Okie dokie. Thank you.
CJ was funny. Can I try my icing?
Hmm?
Can I take my icing?
We need sprinkles. Wait, wait, wait.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Junior, how are you already eating it? Sprinkles. Stop.
I want those sprinkles.
Wait.
Why me sprinkles? I can taste yummy. Maddie, get out of the kitchen.
Hey, let them do their own sprinkles. Okie dokie.
Eat it.
Huh?
Don't.
No, son. No, they have to go on the cake plate first.
Why?
Oh, well,
We're
it's
not
early.
eating it yet.
Why?
Because we're not eating it. We still have to eat dinner first.
Next batch.
Are you taking sprinkles?
Yes.
I'm
Really?
good.
Huh?
This is not bad. Comment below whose is best.
Mine. It's mine.
Yours?
It's mine.
Okay.
I'm gonna do that.
Overrated, it's not complicated, it's love. It's love. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with love that well. It's a game that I never learned to play. But when you look my way, it's like I've known it all along. And what I'm trying to say is, if you're gonna make a move, stop waiting. Cause I don't really know what I'm supposed to do. So tell me how I play it cool. Yeah, 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 no. So take me away someplace far and hold me safe inside your arms. It's not overrated, it's not complicated, it's love. So take me away someplace far and hold me safe inside your arms.